young scientists. My name is Sarah, and I am a scientist at CU Anschutz Medical Campus. And today we are going to be doing an awesome experiment called lemon volcanoes. Now, have you ever tasted a lemon? It's pretty sour, right? Well, that sour taste comes from citric acid, which is actually found in a lot of the foods that we eat. And today we are going to turn lemons into volcanoes by mixing the citric acid in those lemons with baking soda. And when these two things mix together, it causes a chemical reaction which releases air bubbles and creates that volcano. It's pretty cool. So what kind of questions are we going to ask today with this experiment? Well, the biggest one obviously is we're going to ask what happens when we mix lemon juice and baking soda. And then we can also ask other questions like what happens if we add a little food coloring to that lemon before we add the baking soda. Now today you're going to need lemons, baking soda, a plate or some kind of tray, a cup or a small bowl, a spoon or a stick for stirring, and most importantly you're going to need an adult to help you with part of this experiment, so make sure that somebody is there helping you with this. And then optional, you can get some food coloring or some dish soap if you want to add it to the lemon and do your own little experimenting. You're going to want to take your lemon, and you're going to want to cut it in half. And then you're going to take that half of the lemon, and you're going to cut off the very little bottom of it, just so that there's a little flat spot for you. See? Now it stands upright. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your spoon or your popsicle stick or whatever you want to use, and you're just going to kind of mash up that lemon a little bit. Now be careful because you don't want to squirt lemon juice all over the place. Once you get it kind of mashed up, you're going to take your bowl and you're going to squeeze out that lemon juice. There you go. Now we've got our squeezed lemon. I'm going to put that back on the table. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your baking soda and you're going to pour it into your lemon. Just right onto the top there. You might hear it start to fizz and bubble a little bit. But then the really cool part is going to happen when we take our cup of lemon juice and you're going to pour it over the lemon. And phew, there it goes. There's our lemon volcano. See how much it bubbles? Pretty cool, right? Now what I do have over here, I've got a lemon that I added a little food coloring to. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda. And then I'm going to take the lemon juice that I got from that lemon. I'm going to pour it on. Now this is cool because it's going to create a bit of a more colorful volcano for us. See that? Pretty cool! See, I used purple and pink food coloring. So now we've got a purple and pink volcano. So you can get really creative with this experiment, guys. You can add different kinds of food coloring. You might want to try adding some dish soap to see if you get more bubbles that way. But what do you guys think is going to happen if you add dish soap? Why don't you guys try it out and you can tell us what you find. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Keep on learning!